Hey everybody, welcome to the Icewater Yoga YouTube channel. My name is Joe Pace and I'm the founder of Icewater Yoga. What Icewater Yoga is an online yoga destination specifically for athletes or anybody who wants to live in an athletic and dynamic body. So the way we approach yoga for athletes is not really treating the body like it's this thing that's about to break. A lot of Yoga for Athletes programs really play with kid gloves and don't really challenge the body. For us, what we want to do is challenge not only your body, but your mind, teach you new skills, and give you the ability to grow as an athlete by testing yourself on the yoga mat. So there's never any competition here. There's never any pushing yourself through any limit. We want to keep things safe and smart, but at the same time, we want to give you the knowledge to approach your personal edge and start to explore your personal edge so that you can take those learnings and everything that you've gained from it and bring it into your sport, competition, and life. So expect a lot of tutorials, a lot of deep information here on this channel. I look forward to sharing more with you, and I hope that you keep coming back for more as we continue to grow. Thank you.